Today is my first day coming to this park. It's called Seletar Park. I never been here before and it's look great, and this river reservoir. This place is great. It's even a canoe here, jetty here for you to fishing, and a lot of things they can enjoy around here. Okay, here say no fishing. Here say no fishing, but there are plenty people fishing over there. And it's fine. If anyone found fishing here, will be fined for $3,000. So these are the rules here that you can fish. There are certain rules applies, and also you cannot fly kite, cannot do a lot of flying stuff here, and no playing of music. So, can fish or not fish? I didn't know that here was such a good place to play around, and it's been a long time that I didn't exercise myself because after my leg fracture, so I'm going to test out my leg. I'm going to move around. See? Oh my god. Okay, notice I still have my leg fracture and it's not recovered yet. And my first time here, and you can see my surrounding here is so peaceful and so quiet, although there's still a lot of people coming here even during COVID. Anyway, here is a good place, and I see the golf course over there. On my left they are boating. So here we are. This is the Seletar Reservoir. And this is the end of my trip. And it's really eye-opening. I didn't know that there's a such place like here that you can able to relax and enjoy. So if you like my video, do not subscribe, share, and like. Bye, ciao.